I'm done, I'm finished, and ain't no changing my mind. And that's on what? Period. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Sharice, and also a happy new year. Yes, it is 2022 and I have big things planned for this year. I hope everyone is healthy, happy, safe, and trying to get through this pandemic the best way that we possibly can together. But like you guys read the title, and I thought I should get into explaining why I am done with my natural hair journey. So I have been, well, let me clear up a couple things. One, I can just let y'all know I'm not getting ready to like perm my hair or like wear my hair straight. I will still be wearing my natural hair. That's a fact. That's not going to change. What's going to change is me documenting it. Like I just gonna be honest with you guys, I don't have the desire to document my hair journey anymore because I don't feel like I'm on the journey. I didn't announce, but your girl made it to waist length, and that was obviously I have my hair braided, and my braids cute, yeah. But your girl made it to waist length, and that's what my journey was. My journey was always to get my hair to waist length, and I was able to accomplish it. I didn't film it. I didn't show you guys like a video or anything like that, just because like I'm sorry y'all, my camera died. But so I did not film like and give y'all like length update like to waist length journey or whatever. Like I really just haven't really been into my natural hair all this year. Like this year has just been really tough for me, and I just have been pulled in a lot of different directions, and I'm finally like honing and focus on what I really want to do, and that is taking away from my time on YouTube. So just to be honest with you, like I really just haven't had the desire, one, to do anything with my hair. I need you to go away. I really haven't had the desire to really do anything with my hair and then record it on top of recording anything. Like I haven't felt like editing. Y'all, like I've had videos that I've been holding on for like 3 months, and I just have not edited the video. And that's just like mind-blowing that I would have some content that long just sitting on my SD card. So for that just lets me know like I'm moving in a different direction in my life, and although I'm going to document that direction, I am going to have that on my YouTube channel. So I'm not quitting YouTube. I'm just letting you all know, if you came here for hair, you're probably not going to get much more. Like I might just do every blue moon, but I'm just over it. Like it's a lot of work, y'all. Like it's a lot of work to film natural hair videos. Like my wash days, which a normal wash day might be and could be very well just like an hour and a half, turns into 5 hours because I'm filming everything. I'm in showers. Like those shower scenes are ridiculous. Water everywhere. Like I mean, it's just it's not conducive to the type of life that I am trying to live. It's not where I'm going, I don't have the time. What I have going on in the next couple of months, I just don't have the time to be able to do that. So I have time to do my hair, but I definitely don't have time to document and show you guys. And I'm also tired of trying new products. Like I'm gonna be honest with y'all, like I'm just over natural hair. Like I don't even like watching natural hair videos. I'm gonna be honest with you. Like I don't like after you've seen 100 wash and goes, I'm talking about, sis, your wash and go is not gonna be any different than anybody else's. So like if I'm tired of watching natural hair videos, I definitely like don't want to film them because I don't even want to see them myself. Now granted, there are people out here that need help, and there are lots of people that will continue to make videos. I mean, I don't know how helpful my videos have been for people, and if they have been helpful, you can let me know in the comments. If it's something in particular that you would like to see me do, I possibly can consider it if enough people actually want to see it. But if it's not like an actual desire from you all to want to see certain things, I'm gonna do what I want to do, right? So, and what I want to do is not do natural hair. I'm going to do my natural hair, but I don't want to film it anymore. And like I said, I'm tired of trying new products, so I don't want to review. Well, one, I don't want to review any products for these brands that don't want to pay me. That's just point blank period. I'm not going to give y'all free advertisement, whether it's good or bad. I'm not giving you any publicity. I'm not giving you any publicity. I'm not giving you any publicity. That word is hard to say because I talk fast. But yeah, I'm not, because even a bad review can make somebody want to go buy it and be like, oh well, that person reviewed it poorly, but I'll still want to see it for myself. So either way, like when they say like what's the saying, I don't know, it's a saying for that, like even bad news is good news or something like that. I don't know, I'm probably saying it wrong. It's some type of saying, but what I'm letting you know is that I'm not doing it for free. Like, all of this takes time. This takes hours I have dedicated to YouTube, and hundreds of hours I've dedicated. I know it's been hundreds of hours that I've dedicated to editing, I've dedicated to filming, I've dedicated to looking up and researching topics. I'm almost on the verge of just giving up on YouTube altogether, but I'm not all the way there yet. But I'm definitely giving up on natural hair content. It just don't pay. It does not pay. That's why all the natural hair, like I would say like gurus or people that's been in the game for a long time, they don't really do natural hair content. It's because it doesn't pay. Because all these other YouTubers that are getting big money, like hundreds of thousands of dollars pay out every year for their YouTube channels, and they don't do natural hair. Like we're basically the forgotten group of individuals that make content, but YouTube don't care about us. Like, and especially not my little channel. Like, I don't get enough views, and even from what I've heard from people that have larger channels, they do okay, you know, like they can pay their bills off of it and they can make it a full-time career. I can't even make this a full-time career because I just don't get the amount of views. So with that being said, you gotta just take stuff for what it is. Like, if the math ain't mathin', then what are we doing? Yes, y'all, like I just can't do it anymore. Like I can't braid. So I don't really have like those type of videos that, you know, people are looking for once something is like trending, a new hairstyle or anything like that. So yeah, it's just like, I don't know, like these videos, if I do anything that's natural hair related, it's definitely going to be something that like I know that I can definitely do without a shadow of doubt. Like, I'm not testing out, I'm not trying nothing. Y'all, I try to do these myself. Oh my god, it was such a big fail. Like, which let me know like this is just not my lane. My lane is wash and goes, and baby, I am not going to film not another wash and go. Like, it's just I have no more wash and goes in me to film, because do y'all like to see it? Do y'all just want to see this over and over again? Let me know in the comments. Let me know if that's what y'all want. You just want me to just continuously do the same thing over and over again. But I don't like that. That's boring to me. Like, I don't want to look at another twist out. Once you've seen one twist out, you've seen them all. Like, and other than that, then you're just watching people review products, and all these products are really the same. I said it. It is what it is. These products have all the same ingredients. They're just in a different order. Like, it isn't much different to it. Maybe it's a different scent, but they all do the same thing. And so therefore, I don't know, but again, I'm super biased right now because I'm just kind of over the natural hair community and over natural hair in general when it just comes to like producing content for natural hair. I'm just over it. So don't listen to me. I made this decision to just bow out gracefully and say that my journey is over with natural hair. And I appreciate all of the amazing natural hair creators that I have met over my 2 years on YouTube. Like, it's been amazing, and I hope to continue to watch y'all. Even though I don't really want to watch natural hair videos, I still watch y'all stuff, you know, just because I know y'all need the support. So I'm gonna always support my fellow YouTubers. But this has been a great journey, and if you are interested in starting your YouTube channel, I strongly suggest, like, this is a new year, go ahead and just do that. Like, if you want to start a YouTube channel and you want to cater it to natural hair, I mean, I'm just giving you the real, like, what it, you know, you either just have to, I don't even know, I mean, because I didn't blow up. Like, I didn't have some great video that blew up for me, so I can't say that, you know, like, it's luck or whatever. Like, you have to be consistent. And actually, let me just scrap that. I can't give you no advice, because I haven't done what I need to do to say that I'm worthy to give anybody advice. There are a lot of other people y'all can watch for that, but definitely I encourage anybody to start a YouTube channel if you want to just get things out, if you want to express yourself and you want to share something with the world, because there is someone that is interested in seeing it. And like I said, I do have some things that are coming in the next few months. I am going to be filming and recording and documenting all of that, and I'm just so excited for the next phase of my life. Y'all just don't understand, it is a secret right now. I'm not really sharing it with anybody. I'm sharing it with a couple people, but I'm not ready to share it with my YouTube fam just yet. But I will be, I don't know, probably the next couple of months. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank y'all for this journey, and it wasn't an easy one. I can't give y'all really any good advice, because like this year it went to shit, and I didn't take care of my hair. So even though I made it to waist length, like, I barely did anything. I mean, maybe I'll do a video, and I'll like do a short and just show y'all what I did to maintain my hair all year, because it was very simple. My best advice I can give anyone that is trying to get to waist length: simplicity is your key to success. Although I did a lot of different treatments and stuff like that in 2020, in 2021, I didn't do much of anything. Now, I am going to let you know that my hair grew drastically in 2020. So I do think doing different treatments and stuff like that, and making sure you're consistent when it comes to deep conditioners, and then, you know, my onion juice treatment, I'm not going to ever say that didn't work, because my hair grew a lot. I barely am hitting waist length, so I grew maybe about 3 inches this year. I might say 4, because I got my hair cut when I straightened my hair, and he probably cut off about maybe an inch, or a little less than an inch. He probably cut off about an inch, so that's pretty average. But the year prior, 2020, I doubled that. Like, I grew like 6 inches of hair in 1 year. So like, that does help, like doing different things and trying stuff out, and like really documenting it and taking pictures so that you can actually see your progress. But like I said, this year I didn't do that, and I barely made it, but I still made it, and I'm going to count it that I am at my waist. When I take these out, well, no, shoot, these won't be out by the time this video comes up, because I said I will just, I don't know why, like, I just been lazy, y'all. I could have very well given y'all like a photo or something to show y'all that it actually did make it to waist length, but I'm sorry. Don't charge it. Don't charge it to my head. Don't charge it to my heart, because my heart is in the right place. But like I said, my head has been, I've just got a lot of other stuff going on, and yeah, YouTube just hasn't been my #1 priority. But I hope you guys have a beautiful year. As always, I'm a little different, and different is love. See y'all in the next video.